All right, folks, let's show this gorgeous car some love by changing its engine oil. First, we lift her up and uncover the magic beneath. Grabbing the right tool, we crack open the oil pan like a pro. Out with the old, dark oil, time to give her a fresh start. Securing the pan with a neat little cape, our superhero move. Screwed it tight like a boss. No leaks on our watch. Ah, the oil filter. Time to retire, buddy. New oil filter in place, fresh blood for the heart of the car. Tight and secure. Nothing's getting past this filter. Cover back on. Time to seal the deal. Bonnets up. Let's pour in some liquid gold. Ah, the sweet sound of new oil filling the engine. Hold up! Let's give her lungs some fresh air, too. Clean air, happy engine, all set and ready to go. A quick oil level check. Perfection at its finest. And to keep her cool, a splash of fresh coolant. There you have it, folks. A smooth oil change, air filter TLC, and coolant top-up. This car's all set to hit the road in style. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Remember, every cool ride deserves the best care. Until next time, drive safe and keep smiling.